Hi everyone, it's Tony here from Ready Steady Excel. Here's a scenario. I want to send out a meeting invite to a group of people, but I don't want everyone to see each other's email addresses. Perhaps this is a client event, or perhaps I'm using people's personal email addresses. If only there was a way to use the BCC field like we do with emails. There is a solution available, a quick and easy one, but it comes with an important side note. So make sure you keep watching to the very end. Okay, are you ready? I know I am. Then let's go. So here I have a meeting invite that I've prepared earlier. And to add the email addresses in privately or blind copy them in, I click Required. And then I simply add the email addresses into the Resources field. So Resources is the equivalent to the BCC field. When I click OK, so you will notice that those emails have gone into the required field, which is fine, but you'll also notice that they're in the location field, which we don't want because that will be revealed. So if I click into here, I can delete these off. I can either type in client event here or live events, whatever it is, or if you can't think of a location, just press the spacebar. And this invite is ready to go. The examples you see here is what the recipient will see. So on the left, this is where I've used the blind copy or the resources field, whereas the one on the right is where I've just entered them into the to field. If you have time for more tips, check out these videos here, and I will see you in the next one.